Have you ever heard of twins, born to the same mother, but with two completely different fathers? It sounds like something straight out of a movie, but it's a real biological phenomenon. Welcome to Did You Know? By FactBite Daily. Today we're diving into one of the rarest and most fascinating twists of human biology. So how is this even possible? It's all thanks to something called heteropaternal superfecundation. It's a mouthful, I know. Here's how it works. First, a woman's body must release 2 eggs during her ovulation cycle, a process known as hyperovulation. This is what leads to fraternal twins. Then, each of those eggs gets fertilized by sperm from 2 different men. It's like a 1 in a million biological lottery. Now, this can only happen with fraternal twins. Remember, fraternal twins come from 2 separate eggs and 2 separate sperm, so they're genetically just like regular siblings. Identical twins, on the other hand, come from a single fertilized egg that splits in 2. Because they start from the same egg and sperm, they always have the same father. So, if you see identical twins, you know they share the same dad. The key to this entire phenomenon is timing. It all has to happen within a very narrow window of time. A woman's eggs are only viable for about 12 to 24 hours after they're released. However, sperm can survive inside a woman's reproductive tract for up to 5 days. So, if a woman has relations with 2 different men within a few days of each other, right around her ovulation, there's a small chance that sperm from both men could be waiting to fertilize her eggs. Just how rare is this? It's incredibly rare. Officially, there are only about 20 documented cases of heteropaternal superfecundation in humans worldwide. That makes these twins some of the most unique people on the planet. But here's where it gets interesting. Some researchers think it might be more common than we realize, simply because it goes unnoticed. One study that looked at paternity dispute cases involving twins found that about 2.4% of them were actually cases of twins with different fathers. Most of the time, no one would ever know unless a paternity test was done. So what does this mean for the twins themselves? Genetically, they are half-siblings. While typical fraternal twins share about 50% of their DNA, just like regular siblings, these special twins only share about 25% of their DNA. They share their mother's genes, but get their paternal genes from 2 different sources. This has led to some pretty famous and complicated legal cases. For instance, back in 2015, a court in New Jersey had a very unusual ruling. A man was taken to court for child support for twins, but a DNA test proved he was the father of only one of them. The court ordered him to pay child support, but only for the one twin that was biologically his. Can you imagine how that conversation went? At the end of the day, it's a combination of hyperovulation and very specific timing that makes this biological marvel possible. While it's super rare in humans, it's actually quite common in the animal kingdom. Think about animals like cats and dogs, where a litter of kittens or puppies can often have multiple fathers. That's just nature's way of maximizing the chances of successful reproduction. In the human world, it takes modern science, specifically DNA testing, to uncover these incredible stories. That's why in any paternity dispute involving twins, it's now recommended to test both children, just in case. So, what do you think? Did you know it was possible for twins to have 2 different fathers? Which fact shocked you the most? Let me know in the comments below. Drop a baby emoji for the twins or a DNA emoji for the science. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like this video, subscribe to FactBite Daily, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another mind-blowing fact.